guys, if you have seen my latest video, I was stranded in camera, so I think I'm very late to open this two gifts that is waiting for me here at home. Now I'm home and I can open them now, and I'm so excited. I don't know what it is. It says BONNYCO. BONNYCO. I don't know how to say it. Am I saying it right? BONNYCO. Okay. I think my kids are going to love this because of the letters and the emojis. And let's start opening the box now. So we're going to see what is inside. Oh my god, what a surprise! Wow! Say quick Atong. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Perfect for my channel. Quick Atong Christmas 2021st. Christmas 21st. And I found this inside. These two, what are these? Let's find out what they are. And this thing here, I think inside of these envelopes, there are two envelopes here. It contain letters, and another envelope that contain emojis and cable. It has 220 letters along with symbols and 180 emojis. Interesting. Of course, it's my very first time to own a BONNYCO party light box. Since we're having a lot of party at home, I think this thing here is perfect. Now let me turn it on. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to lower down the light so you can see. Oh my goodness. Now, let me try the remote control. Awesome. Come on, let's have a party at home. Quick Atong invites you now. I'm inviting you now. Okay, okay. What a cute remote control. It's tiny and colorful. My kids are going to love this. It has a lot of colors. Blue, orange, pink, green, white, red, of course. Now, let me, okay. Turn it on or off. Oh, turn it on, off. Turn it on, turn it on. Now, let me choose color. Let me press yellow. Look at that. Let me press pink. Oh, orange, I mean. Orange? Okay. Oh, look at that. You can make it brighter or dimmer, strong. Oh. And what is this? Fade. Oh. Smooth. Oh, look at that. Flash, brighter. And how about blue? How about purple? That's dark purple. How about light purple instead? Yeah, perfect for my party. Okay, let's check this out. Emoji. How many emojis are there? 180 emojis. Let's check it out. My goodness. Inside this envelope, it has 3 bags inside. This one has emojis. Awesome. Now let me open it. I love it, I love it. This gift is awesome. By the way, this gift is from a subscriber that loves me very much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm going to write down your name here so they can see. Thank you so much. Oh, imagine that. Imagine 180 emojis. Look. All of those emojis are here. There's a cake, there's a pizza, there's burger, all the smiley faces, all the faces. All of them. The snowman, there's Christmas, there's... I can name them all. But there's a lot. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 180, come on. Look at that. Now I'm going to cut them into pieces. Yeah, pull them like that. Pull them. Look at this. Isn't it so cute? See? Now you can put them here, everywhere. So there's a heart. Well, let me put this here. Just insert them like that. So easy to use. And my kids are going to love this. Look at that. Oh, there are more. I thought that's it. There are more. There are more. So there are 2 bags of emojis. Oh my god! All the smileys, all the faces, all of them, all the hands, all of them are here. All of them. My goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome. Yeah. Awesome. And there are empty cards. I think you can write, you can draw your own. And then, yeah. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. 110 black letters and 110 colorful letters. Oh, colored and black all together in one box. So this is colored, this is black. Yeah. Okay. Now. Oh. So there they are. Okay. Now let me open the next one. This is colorful letters. There are yellow. I think there's yellow and there's red. I see red, I see yellow, I see blue, I see green. Oh my god. I see green. I see numbers in blue, in green, in red. Oh man. Man. Come on. It's awesome. Yeah. Look at that. Colorful letters. Yeah, there's yellow. Oh my goodness. Yellow letters. Yeah. I think if you put yellow, you don't need yellow lights. Maybe put something else like green or blue or anything. Yeah. Since there's a yellow emoji here, maybe I'm going to use red, whatever. Or orange, maybe. So you can see them clearly. How about pink or purple? Purple? Blue? How about that? I don't know. Alright. So you have a choice. You can use battery or you can use, you can plug them. USB, maybe you can plug it directly to any outlet. Awesome! Now, thanks for watching. I'll see you again some other time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.